Hello my friends, this is Sherry. I'm back today with a demonstration of how I'm using the last bits of goodies that I picked up at PandaHall Selected. I'm on there, I'm doing a collaboration with them and they had asked me to pick out some things. And so I had picked out, I showed you on my unboxing video where I had picked out these beautiful turquoise beads. It came in this package here and there's several different strands. This is full of beautiful beads, several different strands of there's stars, there's some that look like a teardrop. There are little skulls in here and little peace signs. So lots of fun to be had with those. And the turtles is what my number one thing I was looking for, but I did want a variety pack so that I could have fun with all the different things in the turquoise beads. And then I wanted something to go with those. I think I wanted gold beads, but I ended up picking up this set, which was I felt like the best deal, where you get all these different sizes of gold and the silver beads. And then I picked up also there's 3 strands. I just took one off and put it in this is the container the strands of freshwater pearls came in. So I ended up taking one strand off and putting in here while I was thinking about working with them. So they were all ready to go. And I wanted to make a bracelet today. So I made this bracelet here. What I ended up doing was, because I have lots of stretchy cord, and what I decided to use was something I picked up and that I hadn't used yet. So I knew I had this stretchy cord. I got this at Walmart and a good while ago, like probably a year ago, and fully intended to use it right away, but I never did. And then so today when I wanted to make a bracelet, I said, let me go see if I can use that stretchy cord, because I had made a bracelet with, and maybe I needed a stronger one or something, and now I have lots of different sizes or gauges or whatever of this stretchy cord. So I probably could have used stretchy cord, but one of the last times I made a bracelet with stretchy cord, I made the whole thing. It was beautiful. Then I went to put it on my wrist and it just popped and the beads went everywhere. So I was like very discouraged with using stretchy cord. So that's when I picked up this stretch cord. And I happened to have see, it has like a blue, like a royal blue there, white, pink, turquoise, and a purplish one there. So really nice. And I figured that's not going to pop if I make a bracelet out of it. Yeah, so, well, I got that at Walmart. So that's what I did. I used the stretchy cord on this bracelet, and as you can see, I can put it on and off my wrist with no problem. I wanted it to be, well, I didn't want it to be too tight, but I wanted it to be loose enough where it would slip on and off my hand very easily without any fear of breaking the cord, like that happened at one of the last times I made a bracelet. So anyway, so I ended up using, from the goodies that I got from PandaHall Selected, I used the round ones here, the round beads, which were part of that set of variety pack that I got. The gold beads, which I used this size right here. There's 5 sizes and I used this middle one right here. And I just thought it looked like best with that alternating gold bead with this size of turquoise round bead. And then I put a turtle right in the middle here, which I just said, was my number one priority. I wanted a turtle bracelet, and I had been looking at these turtles for a very long time. And when PandaHall Selected contacted me this time, I was like, I wonder if they have those turtles. And then sure enough, they did. They had this whole variety pack. So I put a little turtle there. Isn't he cute? So this bracelet, I feel like these turquoise beads and these gold and silver beads, you could make a bracelet that you could dress up or dress down. The gold beads make it look more dressy. So it's not just for casual weekends. I, feel like I could wear this to work just fine, although my work is pretty casual. If your work was a little dressier, you could easily wear this with a, pair of nice slacks and a blouse that it would go with and wear it to work, I feel like. So, yeah, what I plan on doing is I made this one bracelet here, and then I want to make 2 companion bracelets and probably some earrings, all matching with these certain beads that I got here, and maybe even dig into my stash and see what my other beads that I already have would go with these turquoise beads. I feel like any kind of pearl, if it was the right size, could go with this, or maybe a red bead. I saw someone that made a turquoise bead and red bead bracelet, and that was really pretty. So yeah, I really want to experiment and use a lot of these different shapes, the stars, the peace signs, the skulls, and I want to make some bead dangles, and maybe some other earrings too. So I just love this color. I mean, on my other one of my channels, I'm going to post this video on my jewelry channel and my Turquoise Dreaming channel, and my name of my channel is Turquoise Dreaming, my crafty channel, right? So there's a reason for that. It must be one of my favorite colors. So yeah, I love this, and so that was really fun and easy to make this stretch bracelet, especially with this cord. It just went right through the beads. I didn't have to use a needle or anything. If you're having trouble beading anything, you might want to try this stretch cord, and maybe PandaHall Selected has it. I just knew I already had plenty of, you know, stretchy cords, so I didn't order any from PandaHall, but I'm sure they have all kinds too. But yeah, you might want to try this because it just went right through, no problem. This was quick and easy to make. Just a stretchy bracelet that fits over your hand. I tied a little knot in the back, and you know, so you can hide the knot, and there you go. Boom, you're done. Quick as that. Make yourself a cute little bracelet. And so I will come back to you with at least one more demonstration video for PandaHall Selected, and show you what else I decide to make next. But I have so many things in mind. I can't wait to have some time to make more goodies, like I just said, bead dangles and earrings and all kinds of things. And I can't wait to make 2. I want to make 2 more companion bracelets with these beads here, the freshwater pearls and everything, so that I can wear those 3 together. I think that's a really neat look, and I think that's really kind of in style right now to wear the companion bracelets, 2 or 3, and I kind of think 3 is better than 2, so the more the merrier maybe for companion bracelets. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, you know, seeing what I made for this demonstration video as far as what I made, and I think it's really beautiful. And can you see the variegation there in the turtle? That's why I chose the gold bead, because it kind of looks like it has gold in the turtle there. So I thought I would put it, it would be better to use the gold and the silver, but you could probably get away with silver, especially if you weren't using this turtle and you were just using the beads. They have less of a variegation in them, these particular round ones right here, so you could totally get away with using silver beads in between, or some type of spacer beads. So anyway, can't wait to come back and show you in one more video. It will be in a week or so when I do the 3rd video for PandaHall Selected. By the way, if you're interested in any of these products, I will have them all linked below. I have a coupon, a really great coupon, which will be linked below. They're on Instagram, you know, and all the social media, which I'll have those links below. And they all are always having specials on besides the coupon I have for you, they are always having specials on their website. So be sure to check it out. See what kind of special they're running when you know, go over there, and just pick up what you need, because their prices are actually really great, and they have such a wide variety of a selection that you can find just about anything you could possibly need in this regard. And they have things besides beads too. So just, you know, I would say check it out, just at least for your knowledge, and even if you don't need anything right now. So thanks for watching today. I love my bracelet. I can't wait for the first chance I get to wear it. And these would be great little gifts too, wouldn't they? If you needed to make a little gift for somebody, for whatever, coworker, friend, nieces, nephews, aunts, not uncles. Well, maybe uncles. Yeah, why not? The guys like bracelets too sometimes, right? And of course you can make necklaces and things like that too. But thanks for watching today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.